Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Air Jordan 1 in Hyper Royal. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see them likes, it helps us with the algorithms. I just want to thank all our subscribers, new and old. Thank you. Without you guys, we aren't able to do any of this content. So thank you. And I totally forgot to mention about the comment section below. Drop some love in the comments and we try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. And let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the Air Jordan 1 in the Hyper Royal colorway. And I just want to let's give thanks to this box. It's a wonderful box. I mean, we've done tons of Air Jordan 1 reviews in the past. Check them out. But I'm always such a fan of this black and red colorway. Beautiful. Also, I just want to put a little preface, a little warning to all the viewers here. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get these in my size, which is a UK 7.5. The sizing of this is a UK size 9, it says US size 10, and it's European 44. And I just want to thank our friend Moses. If you're watching this, thank you. He gave us the alley-oop to let us review his sneakers. So thank you, Moses. But anyway, let's get into this. So I've mentioned all the sizing, and this is the Air Jordan 1 in the Hyper Royal white colorway. It is such a clean colorway, and we'll show you why. And there it is. Look at that. Away. And I mean, you look at this sneaker, the Air Jordan 1 in Hyper Royal, this colorway in particular, and it just screams. It's very reminiscent of the turbo green Air Jordan 1 that came out a couple of years ago because of that faded upper, really nice colors as well. It's in the same color wheel, I'd say. But yeah, I mean, it is the faded aspect, the faded suede on the uppers that just reminds me of that sneaker. It's a great thing it doesn't have the writing that was there incorporated in that turbo green. But yeah, like I mentioned, this Hyper Royal is such a dope colorway. And I keep saying colorway, so we'll move on to the outsole. So we'll start with this outsole, and it is your typical Air Jordan 1 outsole. All rubber, probably the best traction used on an Air Jordan. Moving on to the midsole, it's all rubber. And for those that don't know, there's an air unit encapsulated inside this midsole unit. And we move along into the uppers, and that's where we get the beautifulness, if that's the word. We get the main selling points, and it is that tone of blue. To me, it reminds me of a denim jacket, lightly washed, not acid wash. I've seen people say that this is acid wash. It's not acid wash. It's actually like a light stone wash. And I can picture people wearing this with a double denim look, you know, the Canadian tracksuit, the Canadian tuxedo, that's what it's called. And yeah, so we'll start with the uppers, and obviously you've got this tumbled effect on the suede uppers. It's more suede. I've seen people call this like a nubuck, but because it's a bit softer, I'm edging it towards a suede finish. But you got that distressed look, and I love it. Move along onto the toe box and the mid panels where you find the leather, and unfortunately it doesn't feel that great. It looks beautiful, but it feels synthetic. I wish that Nike would incorporate that lush leather that was used on the Shaq backboards, because to me that was the pinnacle. That is the best Air Jordan to incorporate the leathers in that tumbled. And the Bread ones, actually, they incorporated tumbled leathers. It would be great to see Jordan brand use those kind of leathers for their latest releases, for their Jordan 1s, hell, for their whole Jordan line. But that's neither here nor there. So, but yeah, Jordan brand, if you're watching, use better leathers. We move along onto the medial and lateral side. So you've got the grey smoke swoosh, and this material here is nice. It feels like it's more nubucks. This is a leather, unlike the leather paneling, more leather paneling used on the toe box and then the mid panels. I forgot to mention that the toe box is perforated. Look at this Wings logo. It's an all white. It's a very nice finish, if I may say so myself. The grey that is used on the swoosh, it's the same colour on the ankle support. Not much to say on the back, but they've got the nice hyper blue paneling. And at the tongue, so you've got an all nylon tongue, nice spongy material, and you've got the Nike Air tag that's in a nice blue finish. These sneakers also come with a pair of laces that match the Nike tag, but personally I wouldn't put these blue laces on the sneaker. I think the white complements the sneaker overall the best. Maybe Nike should have put like a smoky grey similar to the swoosh that's used here for the lacing. I just think that this blue will take away all the attention away from the sneaker. You'll be fixated on this blue laces. But yeah, other than that, I think this is the must sneaker for the summer. And if these are anything like the turbo greens in regards to the demand and the sales, I can only see them skyrocket in the resale market. So we are thankful that we are able to get a pair to review. Again, thank you, Moses, if you're watching. Unfortunately, I won't be trying these on because these aren't my size. And again, I just want to mention that if you were able to get a pair of Air Jordan 1s, the ones that you desire, please get them in your UK sizing. Well, my UK size is a 7.5. Try and get your true to size fit. I cannot recommend that enough. If you look like it a bit snug, then get a half size down. With that all said, let us show you some footage. Let's show you the angles of this beautiful sneaker. So roll that footage of them angles. As you can see, guys, these are beautiful sneakers. I'm not going to touch them because, well, they're not my size. Again, thank you, Moses, if you're watching. We'll end it here. So, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. And until next time, peace.